natin na ang Japan is very popular sa mga hot spring. So, titingnan natin kung saan talaga siya nagagaling. Titingnan natin yung Pond of Onsen. Halika, samahan mo ako. This place is called Yunohana Hot Spring Mineral Deposit Ruins. The name is given to hot spring mineral deposits of crystallized gas sulfur components which have spouted out from the ground surface. So yung gas niya easily dissolved in water, so they put the roof in here to prevent gas from going out of the atmosphere. Nandito ka, maaamoy mo yung sulfuric, yung smell niya. Medyo kung sensitive yung pang-amoy mo, kung sensitive yung nose mo, well, it's a challenge. So this one, kung napapansin nyo, iba yung color ng stone nila. Kasi before, umaagos dito yung tubig. Ito naman yung view, nasa halfway na tayo, malapit na tayo sa top. Ito naman yung view niya. And kung nakikita mo dun sa far end niya, marami siyang lumang hot spring. And later on, bibisitahin natin yung isang facility which is 1,800 years old bathing facility. So here, nandito na tayo sa pinakatuktok niya. Ito yung tinatawag nila na Seishoseki, or if you translate it in English, it means killing stone. I don't know what the name is. Here. Actually, in winter, last time na pumunta kami dito, makikita mo talaga yung smoke, umuusok siya. Siguro depende rin kasi dun sa season, saka depende rin dun sa activity underground. For now, ano siya? For now, wala kang makikita mo. It's fun. You can activate yung character na yan by scanning the QR. The stone says it's prefectural, important asset. Nandito na tayo sa Seishoseki. So ano yung story nitong lugar na to? Bakit siya? Kasi tinawag siya, pag ita-translate mo siya sa English, it's the killing stone. So paano siya nangyari? It's like long time ago, there is a fox. Ano siya? May fox siya. Tapos very bad siya. Marami siyang pinapatay na tao. Marami siyang crime in China and India. And then, yung ano siya is, nag-transform siya into a beautiful woman. And then, after that, nag-travel siya here in Japan. And then, nagtrabaho siya sa apprentice sa isang mataas na tao, like sa kilalang tao. Tapos, na-find out nila about yung personality talaga ng fox. And then, hinan siya, ang pumatay sa kanya, ang hinan siya ng 80,000 soldiers. Imagine, just to hunt a fox. And then, after nun, nung mamatay siya, yung lahat na-turn siya into stone. Yung stone na yon, scattered siya into 3 different places. Tapos yung isang stone is nandito siya. So ang sinasabi nung unang panahon, kung sino man yung makatouch dun sa stone na yon is para siyang bad luck. Yon, that's why it's called the killing stone. And it's believed it's in this area. Do you like the smell of the sulfur?
I'm getting used to it. Like, if it's your first time to be around the onsen place, you won't like it. But then, like, by smell, you know, smell is kind of hard. It's hard to describe. But if you are getting used to it, remembering how it's, like, really great when you are bathing in an onsen bath, it's relaxing.
Yes, I know that you love hot spring.
You too,
Me
right?
too, yes. It's so... Ano yung first experience sa onsen nung nag-hot spring ka?
It was like, oh, I cannot do it.
Yeah, because like we in the Philippines are quite conservative people, right? And then like you found yourself like
Yeah, being naked with other people. And you know what? I have Japanese students right in the Philippines, and they were telling me stories about bathing together with strangers that you don't know, and you were all naked. I cannot get that idea. Why would you do that? Like, why
Yeah.
were you going to bathe with people you don't know? But
Yeah.
when I moved here, it's the best thing
Yeah.
that you should try.
yeah, it's like a shocking experience at first, but when you are used to it and people don't care.
Yeah, people don't care. And it's actually really liberating to know that actually people don't care about your body structure.
Yes, they just don't mind. They just want to relax in there.
So it's just how you see things. And actually, my first time, I went alone, like by myself in an onsen, and naked. I asked another naked woman, like, how do you do this? Because I don't have an idea. Like, there's a poster, but what if you did something wrong? You are naked and you went into a wrong door.
Yeah,
That was my
actually,
fear.
because it's like a male and female, they are separate.
Yeah, separate. But there is a pool area, and what if you went to the pool area and you're naked and you're also
Yes.
in there? That was
So our advice,
fear.
my advice, if you want to try a hot spring, don't do it by yourself first. Ask someone to go with you. So you know it,
Knows
because there are so many like manners when taking into a bath. Actually, there are many rules.
And first time is dreadful.
Yeah.
You're not used to it.
Yeah, but we recommend try hot spring because it's good. Hello! Nandito na tayo sa isang hot spring facility. It's called Shikano-yu. There! And you know what, guys? This hot spring has 1,800 years history back. Can you imagine? And today, we will try to bath in there. How is your hot spring experience?
Yeah, it was like, a challenging one because it's summer, but it's actually like you can enjoy onsen any season.